How to sync your audio and video clips, whether it be a podcast or an interview. And so everything is aligned so you don't have to go through what I went through and waste hours of your time. Here we go. Let's get started. All right. So you're going to open up your files. We have 2 video clips here and the audio. We're going to go ahead and open those in CapCut. All right. So you're going to drag them down here to your timeline. And then you are going to make sure that each video clip and audio clip is on their own line, just like that. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to highlight all of them, all of the files. You're going to right click and you're going to click on sync video and audio. And what that's going to do is that's going to sync everything, the audio to your video. That way, when the speakers are talking, everything is lined up perfectly. I learned this the hard way recently. I tried to eyeball and try to match everything up that way, and all I did was waste a whole bunch of time. Wasted probably 5 to 6 hours at least of my time until I learned this. Now it's all synced up, and what you can do now is what I would do is keep this audio down here, the external. I would highlight these 2 lines. And then I'd go up here to audio, click basic, and then turn this volume, take it all off for these 2, and just keep the main audio down here. That way you don't get any issues with the audio. So as you can see, everything is synced up properly. And then if you want to change the start of the clip or podcast, just scroll over right there. So I want to make sure everything stays synced. So I'm going to highlight again. A split right there. Control B, highlight this section right here, delete, highlight again, move all over to the beginning, start from the beginning. Everything is lined up. So this right here is the cam that's only directed on my client Dakota. He was on a podcast with Ryan Pineda, and this is the switched version that switches back from him to Ryan Pineda. And then now you can go through your entire video and double check, make sure everything's good, and you're all set. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you, save you some time, because I know I wasted a lot of time not knowing this before. So I hope that this helped you. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. Leave a comment below. Peace.